Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I just want to do a quick follow-up on this Peavey 400 series bass amp. I've had a couple days to play around with it, and I want to show you some of the other features that this has, mainly the series and the parallel inputs. And today I have it hooked up to my fridge, and I'm using my Schecter Diamond Series Scorpion. And it's probably for the wrong genre of music I like, but it's a really cool guitar anyway, so who cares? So basically what we have is when we are in series, it goes through the normal side and then through the harmonics. Okay, so this kind of acts like a preamp for this. And I can demonstrate. Now, I have the master gain off right now. Now, if I turn up the normal gain, I'm basically getting a fully clean channel. So now if you notice, the master gain is still down. Okay, if I turn that up a little bit, I'm not going to turn up too much because I got my ear right next to a fridge. Okay, that's not too shabby. Okay, now I'm going to turn the gain up on the harmonic side. I still have the normal side at about noon on the gain. I'm going to turn this up to about 9 o'clock, and the fuzz is on noon. Okay, now watch this. Alright, got that? Now let's turn the master gain up a little bit, and you're going to hear the fuzz come in. So you can do a lot of playing around with it. Now in this mode, both of these equalizers work. Okay, now we're going to look at, turn my gains down because I'm ready to unplug. These plugs are really good. Now I'm going to go into the parallel. The way the parallel works is my signal now goes equally into both sides, and I can adjust it kind of which side I want, higher or lower, based on the gains. So let me turn up the normal gain to about 9 o'clock. Okay, so we have that. It's pretty weak. Let me turn the gain here up to about 9 on the harmonics. Now my signal's going in both sides. Okay. Now I'm going to turn my master gain up a little bit, and you're going to hear the harmonics come through. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And then of course, this way now, this does not act as a preamp, but both the equalizers are working, so you can adjust individually. Now, originally this came with a remote switch, 6-pin DIN connector, I believe it is. They're very rare to find. If anybody knows where I can get one, I want one, because it's a 4-position switch, and you can switch between series, parallel, harmonics on and off, and do everything from the foot switch. This is very versatile. I really do like it. You can do a lot with this amplifier. I know nowadays these big heavy things are kind of not as popular as they used to be. Everybody's into lightweight, but man, I tell you, there's no replacement for displacement, you know? I just love that. I just love that. So that's basically all I wanted to show now. I know there's always been some question about this part of the amplifier. So again, you can just do the harmonics, plug into here. Input 1 is for a passive bass, input 2 is for active. I think it derates it, buffers it, I think 15 decibel, I'm not 100% sure. Same thing over here, 2 inputs. Here is only 1 input because you have the advantage of being able to control both sides. So that's it. So again, if you ever find one of these Peaveys out there for sale, go ahead and buy it. You don't have to gig with it if you don't want to. You don't have to schlep it around if you don't want to. But this thing is a real monster. It's really well worth having if you can find one. So with that, thank you very much, and I'm going to stay out here for a little while longer and just enjoy this amplifier, and I am going to move away from this from this fridge a little bit before I do any more playing. So thank you all, have a nice day, and be safe.